This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your screen color on your Android phone. So just swipe down from the top right, and we do have brightness right here. Maybe it's your brightness that isn't set, but you can just swipe it back and forth, and we can go to settings, going down to display and touch. And then we got the adaptive brightness, HDR enhanced. We can go to this, and we can just use the HDR brightness here. We can slide this back and forth. And then we got adaptive brightness, so if you walk into a bright room, it's going to make the screen brighter, vice versa. And then we can go down, and here we got the dark theme. Then we got display and text if we want to make the text size, the font size a little bit bigger, bold text, outline text to make it easier to read. And then we can go back. Now we got night light, and this is going to tint the screen a little bit red. This will help your eyes. And then we got the intensity. If you're sensitive like blue light, you can turn that on, or it will help you sleep better if you have that turned on at night. And then we got colors, adaptive, natural, and you can look at these different things. And then we can go back. We got the color contrast right here. We can just set this to default medium, and then we can go back. We got outline text here too. And then I don't think we have anything else on here. Let's back up and go to accessibilities. And you might have this turned on by accident. We have under here color and motion, color correction. So right on the top here, color correction. This is typically for people who have some sort of deficiency in colors, which I think a lot of people do, like red, green, blue, yellow, grayscale. And you can just turn it off right here, and then that will be on. That could be causing your screen to be a little weird. You got color inversion, so if it looks like this, you can turn it off right here. Dark theme, reduce blur effects, remove animation. Those are all good. And then we have extra dim. So if it's super dim, you might have that on right there. So just look at those different options. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.